Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 8 of the December Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem, which is supposed to be easy, so hopefully you're not struggling too much. But yeah, December fun time. Binary tree tilt 563. Okay, given the root of binary tree, return the sum of every tree node's tilt. What does that mean? Tilt is the absolute difference between the sum of all the left nodes right and or the right node. Why is the node doesn't have one? Then okay. Um. Okay, so we just update the value. Oh no, wait, what is the int? Sum of every tilt. So okay, so this tilt is 0. This tilt. Okay, I mean this is just. I mean I don't. This is a trickier easy than I would think, but I mean it's still just recursion. So I think it's pretty okay. It's just like maybe it's like a little bit harder easy if you're still playing around with recursion and binary tree. I almost said binary search, but yeah, binary trees. But overall, it should be okay. I mean, I say this, and I hope that I don't mess up. But yeah, but I think the key thing to do for this one is maybe think about I think one thing that I had issues with sometimes is that returning multiple things, and then because that requires to be as exact as possible, right? So okay, for here, I want to use name tuples. Is it name tuples? Name tuples. I want to have two things, which is what do we want to return? I think it's something like this. I don't remember the format or the syntax, so I might have to. It's been a while. But I do want to get better on stream, so we'll learn together. But I want to return the sum of tilt, and just the sum, right? So sum of the number and the sum of the tilt. Maybe I'll put the sum first. And I think having both of those things, we can build everything off it. If I'm wrong, but we'll see. But yeah, let's just say return value. Maybe this is a terrible name, but yeah. Let's see. That's one code. See if I get a syntax error. I think this is roughly right. Maybe I have to do collections.name tuple. I thought that was few names. Let's see. Name tuple. I thought that was roughly right, but I could be wrong. Oh, type name. Yeah, of course. Okay. So yeah. So then now you can return this as part of the thing, and you can even give it hints if you like. But this is just maybe find something like that. Yeah, find sum of a node, and it will give you, if node is none, then we just return value of maybe this isn't that much better, but something like this, right? Otherwise we have left sum is equal to find sum of node dot left. Right sum is equal to find sum of node dot right, and then now we have to figure out how to represent the sum of the current node with respect to these sums, right? So then now we return the return value. The two items, one is the sum. Of course, the sum is just node dot value plus left sum dot sum plus right sum dot sum. I mean, this is pretty straightforward if you have to only do it by itself. And then the sum of the tilt, right? So then the sum of the tilt is going to be, well, left sum of tilt plus right sum dot sum of tilt. I think this makes sense. And then you have to get the current tilt. What's the current tilt? Well, the current tilt is just going to be, what does it say it is? Absolute sum of left. Okay, so yeah, so then it's just left sum dot sum minus right sum dot sum. Absolute value of this, or absolute difference, right? The difference of this plus these things, and I think that should be good enough. So yeah, so then now we just have to find out, the root dot sum of tilt. Is it sum of tilt or yeah? Okay, maybe something like that. I think should be okay. And yeah, let's obviously test more test cases. And oh, really? That was too soon. That was only the second one. But yeah, so that looks good. I think like I said, the hardest part is me getting a wrong answer, maybe, because that'll be hilarious. Okay, yeah, the hardest part is just, I think one thing that I did struggle with for quite a bit is trying to only return one value, but if you're able to return two values, then you could be as as soon as possible, because you don't want to do two recursions. If you do two recursions, that'll be n square, and in this case, even 10 to the 4th square is not gonna be a fun time for you. It's gonna be 10 to the 8th, right? So yeah. And this is obviously going to be linear time, because this is just a pre-order traversal of the tree. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, right? Pre-order traversal is linear time, and it's going to be linear space because, well, stack space is going to be at, like, if you imagine you have a linked list, it's going to have a stack space of both ends. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this one, I believe. Let me know what you think. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Show me your solution, and yeah, have a great rest of the week. I'll see you later. Take care. Bye bye.